It is the week of Easter, and I finally see some of spring on the horizon, so this kit's kind of perfect. Joy blooms with every flower in spring. Cute. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome. Today we're doing a plan with me for the week of March 25th through the 31st, and it is the week of Easter and Good Friday. We have off Friday through Monday just to accommodate all of the Christian holidays. So it's going to be nice to have a little bit of time to breathe. We are currently... it is Monday the 25th, and I'm filming this setup. We are on day 37, so 37 days left of school. I've mentioned this before, but it's been a rough year, and I'm counting down for a reason. This is the marker that we're going to be using, the dot marker in oatmeal, and I have some cute little bows that Nikki Plus 3 includes in all of her kits. So we have the first page with some gold foil, which is beautiful, boxes, lots of them, some cute little deco, and some headers, little bit of deco here. That bunny is really cute. And then we have the bottom washi, date covers. I really like this font. I haven't seen her use that font before. It's cute. And that is it. So we have a 4-page kit. It's called Bunny, if you're curious. And if you've never seen one of my Plan As I Go Plan With Me's, the way that I do mine is that I go ahead and set up the week, and then I will check in as many days as I can to give you real life updates. And then at the end of the week, we'll add in some pictures and memory keeping to make it extra special. So let's get this spread set up. I'm going to begin with the bottom washi. So I had to kind of measure it a little bit to see what I wanted to do down here, but I did end up using both strips, and I just kind of put the little one between that bottom line and the bottom washi. So it worked out well, and I think it's spaced right, and it looks so pretty. I really love the foiling that Nikki does on all of her kits. It's so beautiful. Okay, so I went into my gold foil binder and I grabbed some numbers. So I decided to use some from Sadie's stickers. These are really pretty. They're just a little circle with a bow on top, and I'm just popping those in right now. They don't fit exactly right, but that's okay. They work. They have a little bit of a wreath on them, but nothing like too noticeable. I have been trying to use up my gold foil, but I feel like I built my collection over years, and now I have enough to last me a lifetime. So I have not bought any foil in a while. No, that's a lie. I actually bought some for a specific kit for my birthday week, but that was it. Other than that, I haven't bought any in years, but that's okay. I'm trying to use my stash. Okay, we are working on full boxes now. I have got those in where I want them, and then I needed to mark in that I had the day off on Friday, so I put in a little label for that. And then I'm just using some of these headers from the kit to fill in the space that's in that little header section. I've been doing this for a while, and it works for me. I know some people just like ignore it and use it as part of the column, but for me, I like to have that little separation between the date covers and the actual columns. And then I just used a part of a full box. No, I used part of the bottom washi to cover up the bottom 2 habits, because I like to use 5. And then I put in on Sunday to mark in Easter, and I grabbed a little Easter sticker from Coffee Monsters Co. And then I'm using my dot marker to add in some dots for to-dos and hearts for daily gratitude. And then on a Monday, I wanted to mark in that I did some meal prep, and I used a little sticker from the kit, and then just adding in some to-dos across the spread, things that I knew I needed to get done. And then I'm just cutting off where it says Easter on this little sticker and just wrote it in myself to fill the space. Checking my weekly actions to see what I need to pull in, and I'm just adding those either to habits or to-dos. I'm spinning my ring because I was like thinking. And then just adding in a couple more to-dos to this spread. And I went ahead and filled in Monday because it had already passed, and that worked well to just go ahead and get it done. And since we had a late start on Monday, I added in a little snow sticker, and it's so cute. It is Tuesday, so first things first, let's talk to-dos. So I need to dust. I also need to just take care of some dishes. I hand washed a few things, so I need to put those up from last night. And I don't know of anything else. I might white out that dot, but I am going to work out today. I haven't worked out in like 4 days, so it's going to be a rough one, but that's okay. I'm going to get through it. I'm trying to find a box that I think the purple will work. Okay, so we're going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and bite the bullet and do some strength today. Why not? No, I've had plenty of rest days since last Thursday, so I should be fine on that front. Since I have my gold foil out, I will go ahead and grab something for this workout. Oh, we need a full box, but I need something here so I don't have 2 full boxes right next to each other. What else do I need to do today? Let's check goals. I'm going to put in a little note here about my friend Carrie. So she was going to retire this year, but they are willing and want her to come back next year on like halftime, like just in the mornings or something. So she's going to do that so we get a little bit more time with her. What is this? I think a lot more schools should do this because so she is doing like business classes. There's not a lot of teachers who are doing business classes these days. Like it would be really hard for us to find someone to fill that role. So these are the same color, aren't they? So she is going to work part-time. She can fill that role, and the kids can get that graduation plan that they had planned on. And I just think it's going to be a good thing for our school and for her too. She can like ease into retirement and stick around for a little bit longer. Okay, gratitude today. Okay, we had some boba tea at school today that my friend Kat made in her culinary class, and I got some extra because a bunch of kids were gone for like events. The spring is so crazy with kids gone. Like this week, just nuts. I don't know. I was trying to think out everything yesterday, and I don't know how we're gonna get through everything, but we'll do our best. Okay, I think that's everything for today. I will see you tomorrow. Let's make this quick because I've got to go do stuff. It is Wednesday. Let's do habits first. So hair and water is on track. I'm going to go ahead and mark that off as steps as well. We're going to get those in. Okay, so today I'm home. I've just wasted some time. I called my mom, but she didn't pick up. And why is that so annoying? Like, your mom should be at your beck and call, you know? Not really. Just kidding. My dad is actually sick. He's got flu. I think his, why am I messing this up? He had COVID, like, last month, so I think maybe his immune system is just, like, shot, you know? What the? So I'll call her back either later or tomorrow, whenever. But he had to go to the ER and get, like, blood work and stuff. I don't know. It was a whole thing. But hopefully he's doing better. I just wanted to check on him. And my mom sent me some Easter candy. So I wanted to thank her for that. So today we're working out. Yesterday, this didn't go so well. I may have quit in the first 5 minutes. I don't even know why. Like, I just was not into it. Did not want to do it. And I have no idea why. I just didn't want to. I also went for a checkup at my doctor's office or the clinic. We have a clinic like in the community that I work in that's free for me, and I love the nurse practitioner there. She's so nice and sweet. So we're gonna use this, but she just wanted to check in with me, see if we needed to adjust my meds or anything, but thankfully everything's going great and we don't need to do that. I've said this before, but starting Lexapro changed my freaking life, and I'm so glad that I did it. It has been really, really, really good for me. Okay, we're going to use one of these from Once More with Love. Right there. And then for my workout, I'm just going to do fly dance. I would go for a walk, but it's a little bit chilly. But I think tomorrow would be a great day for a walk because it's going to be beautiful. And we're going to get out early from work, which is awesome. So excited. Everyone needs a break, including the teachers. This is from Sadie Stickers. Okay, other things I need to do. I might push the vacuuming to tomorrow, actually, because I will have a little extra time and we don't have work on Friday or Monday. I'm going to go ahead and put update budget here just because there were a couple of things to add. And yeah, tomorrow we're going to do some goal prep work. It's so hard to write on the quill. Gratitude today. The wind died down finally. All right, I'm going to go get in a workout, check in with my mom, see how my dad's doing, and relax a little bit. It is Saturday, so I skipped a couple of days, not for any real reason, except I just didn't feel like it, you know? So, main thing that I've been doing for Thursday and Friday is working in my yard. I've gotten so much done. My front yard is all prepped, ready to go for spring and summer. I planted a little bit of grass seed in some bald spots. It's good to go. I just need to remember to water every day. It took a while, both days. I spent like an hour and a half this day, hour and a half this day, but it is good to go. Now I need to work in the bed in like the back, like my driveway, like by my driveway. There's a bed of like stuff that all needs to be cleaned out, and I might do it today. I don't know if I'm going to get around to it or not, but I'm gonna just go ahead and write it down. Okay, so laundry is going. I'm gonna go pick up my groceries, and that's when I'm gonna get my prescription. Okay, nails are done. I tried this new color. This is the first time I've ever tried Mooncat polishes, and these are so cute, so pretty. I am loving it. It like shifts to different colors. It's so pretty. I love it. Anyway, I'm going to film my goals right after this, and that might be it for today. I'm just like trying to get a few things done, but I'm not going to go like overboard or anything. Now, let's talk about full boxes and like what I'm going to be doing here. So, I think I'll leave one more space open for a to-do here, and we'll put in this full box. That's really pretty. And then I don't know what I'm going to do tonight. Probably just chill. I think I need to call my sister or text her or something and see when she's going to be doing a little Easter egg hunt for my nephews tomorrow. I found this in my collection. This is from Letters to Apollo. It's a little freebie. And I thought I might include a couple of these today just because I have the room and it's really cute. Let me just pick a couple of them. And I just realized that I forgot to put in my favorite moment of the week box. I think these are really cute, and I love that font. So let's grab a box real quick. This one. Place that here, and then we'll put one like above it. Cute. Okay, I also have this page that came as a freebie, and I have some bows that I haven't even used yet either. We might try to use a couple of those. Gratitude today. I'm going to put my kitty, Scout. She's been very sweet. I think she just likes having me home a little bit more. Okay, so working on habits, working on this list, and then we got to get goals done today. I did all of my prep work, so I've got everything ready. I put a few things on Post-its just so I have some things. I'm not just like working off of like nothing. So, but I always kind of like switch things up as I film it because I'm like talking it through. So it's nice to have just a little starting point. And then I did my compass yesterday and my reflections. Everything's ready to go. And I also have my monthly set up for April. I also need to order some pictures and pick those up. So that's it. This is very cute. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. it is Sunday, so let's finish up this spread. I did do a couple of things already today, and I put in this little situation. I went over to my sister's house. So her husband, my brother-in-law's dad, was there, so I got to hang out with Ron for a little bit and chit chat and update everything with him, and then got to play with my nephews, who were very energized and sugared up from their Easter baskets. But I got to hide the eggs. They found them, of course, pretty quickly, and it was fun. So now I am home. I have a couple pictures from the day that I'm including here. This was some confetti eggs that my sister's father-in-law had brought. This is a picture from today. Here's a picture with each of my nephews. He's such a stinker. These are so cute. Okay, I'm going to take my Tombow adhesive and go ahead and get these down on the paper, and then I'll be back. Okay, that is done. I want to make a little note here about how difficult this was. It's been about an hour and a half. It was hard. Okay, that works. And then this picture is from Monday when my kitty did not want me to go to work, and I didn't want to go to work either, but we had a late start. It was snowing, and she just kind of like sat on me to make me not go, and yeah, had to go. Had to break that to her. And then these pictures are from Easter, like I said, and I think that's about it. Let's catch up on habits. I did not touch my planner last night, so let's catch up here. Had a good workout yesterday. Today is a rest day. I am so tired from the yard work. And this workout, I tried really hard, and it was a tough one, but it was good. I'm glad I did it. I wasn't going to do anything yesterday, but I just kind of felt like it. Okay, favorite moment of the week was definitely our little Easter lunch, and this spread is pretty much done. I have one more thing to do today. Of course, I need to edit and stuff. I don't know if it's going to get up. This video, this one, I don't know if it's going to get up in time, but I will try. But if I hit a wall, I'll just put it up tomorrow. That's totally fine. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is so pretty. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Share with someone that you think might like it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next week. Bye.